Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Clausing model 2225 20-inch step pulley drill press. It has a 1.5 horse, 3-phase 208 to 220 or 440 volt motor. It's currently wired for 220. The motor is 1140 RPM, so the lowest speed is 200 and the top speed is 1200. It has a power feed on it. Morse taper 3 spindle. Magnetic starter. And a foot switch. It's only wired to go forward currently. That's the lowest speed. And the power feed is engaged. Six inches of travel. The power feed has 4 feed rates based off of the revolution of the spindle. Nice big table. Elevating crank. For different spindle speeds, you actually have to move belts. But overall, it seems to be in really nice condition. So thanks for looking.